So how did we go from this to this? I'll tell you, a whole lot of passion and hard work. This biker wanted us to make his dream customization a reality, and we were so up for it. To start this motorcycle restoration, we addressed the state of each section individually. Then, we disassembled most parts to either replace or extensively restore them. To start bringing the motorcycle back to life, we started by addressing all metals in general areas. Extreme chrome polish and rust removal throughout the whole bike. We also had to fully re-chrome the lower fork sliders. We then moved on to the rims and tires, with a rim correction and white wall tire stain removal, sealing the beautiful results with a ceramic coating specifically for rims to preserve that shine. After that, the engine needed lots of attention to remove stains and high level of contamination. This required a full engine decontamination process and engine fins correction to remove that oxidation. The engine ceramic coating we applied after will preserve the engine finish just like this for years to come. Then the transformation continued by repainting and reupholstering to have a new look and a customized seat to match. To preserve the brand new paint, a top-of-the-line ceramic coating was applied, which will last up to 5 years with a high level of reflection and hydrophobicity. We removed the stains from the frame and brought back the original shine of the powder coating throughout the bike. The finishing touches included replacing the speedometer and switch housing and installing new emblems to match that fresh new look. And that completed the restoration and customization. This is a whole new bike. With 40 years of experience in motorcycle detailing and restoration, we know this art is the result of pure passion. Call for an evaluation. Our team is so ready for you.